Hello guys, today I've got the Nothing Headphone A model and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for these headphones on your iPhone. So actually this is very easy to do. At first you need to open the App Store over here and now tap search. Search again and now we need to type NOTHINGX. Now search, and as you can see we've got NOTHINGX application. I have it installed, but here you'll see Get button. Here, tap this Get button. You'll need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Touch ID if you're on iPad, or the Apple ID password. Then tap Open. And here, now, as you can see, we've got my devices. As you can see here, we've got some buds. But here, as you can see, now we've got my devices. Wait a moment. Let me unbind my buds. We need to tap Add New Device to set up. Here, as you can see, we've got scanning one device found. Click Connect, and now we're connected. That's how to set up. Of course, it's easier when you have your headphones already paired with your phone. As you can see, I do. If you don't have your didn't have your or don't have your headphones paired, you need to just open the pairing mode while searching for your headphones, or just before this whole process, pair them with your phone. It will make it just easier if you have any problems. Goodbye.